Hey, good morning, everyone, and welcome to The Key and another edition of Key by the Numbers. This week's Key by the Numbers is just going to be for lieutenants, and the two numbers this week are going to be 1 and 220. Now, 220 represents more or less where they are on the captain's list, and 1 represents to all the lieutenants that you have one priority right now, and your one priority is to sign up for the live in-person captain's classes for The Key, which are starting on Saturday, November 22nd. Now, we've all watched George's videos. We believe that a captain's exam is going to come down the pipe pretty soon. Okay, what I'm holding in my hand right here is the Key in-person live captain's class, lesson 1. Lesson 1, I'm holding in my hand right here. Don't you want that lesson? Don't you want to get in on all the expertise and all the knowledge of John Monahan, founder of The Key, George Mifsud, retired captain, who actually wrote promotional exams, okay? Founder of The Key, John Monahan, worked in mods where they wrote, okay, and ratified sections of the patrol guide. Because The Key is all in on what we believe is going to be an upcoming captain's exam, everybody from The Key is going to be involved. You have retired Assistant Chief Frank Vega. We have our new guy, Inspector Anthony Russo, George Misford. I am the former CEO of Detective Bureau Training. Okay, so everyone's going to be involved. We're all going to be at the classes. We're going to be teaching, bringing stuff to you. Sign up for The Key. The Key promotional package for captain includes the admin guide digest, where John and George take all of these procedures that have been tested over the years and new ones and crammed them into a condensed digest just for you. The legal digest, okay? We have Frank Vega holed up in Staten Island. He's not even allowed to see the sun, and all he does all day is write questions for the Key question app. Now, one thing at The Key is you will never see a question on a practice exam that does not look like an actual test question, okay? At The Key, we don't use true-false questions. We don't use a word bank. What is this, 4th grade? Okay, we don't have A, B, C, D, E. On promotional exams, it's a question stem and 4 choices, A, B, C, D. When you study with The Key, you will never see a question that does not look like a question that could pop right off a promotional exam, okay? All of our instructors, everyone who's involved in this is highly experienced and highly trained teachers. We don't have our family teaching for us, okay? So everyone is all in. Now, if you're a lieutenant, you've already sat through a sergeant's exam or more than one, a lieutenant's exam. You've come this far. Just finish it off. You need to stay ahead. This time in the city is very, very volatile. You don't know what's going to happen. No one knows what's going to happen with politics and budgets and everything else like that. You need to stay ahead. You need to look after your pension, okay? Don't worry about overtime. Don't worry about this or that. You want a raise, you want a promotion, you go and take it. And the way you go and take it is by way of promotional exam. Now, get in on this. You're smart guys and girls. You know how to contact The Key, social media, email, go on the website. Either way, sign up for this course. Get on board, okay? You have one exam left. Let's do it. It starts Saturday, November 22nd at Rockland. So every Saturday in Rockland, Sunday in Long Island, okay? Everyone's going to be involved. Until we see you again next time, remember that preparation is the key. Peace.